Hi, this is Paula and Wanda from Alanda Craft, and we literally got the Cricut Easy Press in the mail about half an hour ago.
About that.
So we've only just taken it out of the box. You can see it's still got its warning stickers and everything on it. We've turned it on once, but we haven't done anything as yet. So we're going to show you, or attempt to show you, because we have no idea how to use this yet, how this works.
We're going to follow the instructions.
Yeah, we'll see how good these instructions are, because if you want to put that there, Wanda, you can see you get a quick start guide. So we're going to go run through this quick start guide and see how easy this is, or not easy as the case may be. So let's start with step one. Alright,
so we've plugged it in and now we turn the power on. And it says to set the temperature to 290 degrees Fahrenheit or 145 degrees centigrade. So we press the temperature button here and just push that.
So obviously you can change this to Fahrenheit, can you?
Must be able to.
But we're in Australia, so we work with Celsius, so that's why it's showing
And then we want to set the timer for 30 seconds, and it's already on 30 seconds. And we just go, actually, I think I need to do something more here. No, it must be.
I think that's the temperature that it is now.
Okay, well it's not.
Well, no, that's what it is now, and I think it's moving up, it's heating up. That's my theory.
It's your theory?
Let's see how that goes.
We'll see how we go.
So is the countdown, what's the reason for that? Do we know why we had to put the timer on?
It's ready to go, but it won't be ready to go because it's not. We need to start.
Oh yeah, look, it is. Look, it's coming down to 1.
Yes, but that's not going to be 145.
Oh, well, was it 145?
We wanted 145.
Okay. Well, hang on, it's getting there. It's gone one. There we go. Look at that.
Sorry about this. A bit of a.
Well, this is it. We're just going through it.
All right. So after we've done that, we need to get our surface. Now we bought the mat as well that goes with this, so this protects our surface underneath.
So that didn't come with the machine.
It didn't come with the machine. No, I said we purchased it.
Yeah.
Okay, separately. Now let's have a look. Right. So the first thing we need to do is to place our drawstring bag, which came with the machine, and we put this on to take the wrinkles out. Okay. So let's see how we go. And obviously to heat up the.
Does it say how long
the surface? No, 5 seconds to remove wrinkles and moisture, and it says never skip this step. Trust us, it's important. Alright, so I think that's pretty good. We'll put it back on its little cradle there.
That's pretty good.
Okay, so now I'll attempt to centre this somehow. Here we go. Now once we've done that, we position the piece that they've sent with it. So this is the Cricut symbol, and we're going to place that on this bag. You put the shiny side up, which I've done, and then we're going to
do you want to move it down a little bit? Now
put this on top and press the start button.
Right. Oops. Sorry, just move the cord back.
Okay, so it's counting down now. Oh, that was supposed to be for 15 seconds, so I'll take that off.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, now it says to lift an edge and see if it's still warm to the touch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then what?
Oh, and then this comes off. This peels off.
Are you supposed to do the back first or something?
No.
I thought I read something about it. You have to do the back or something, or am I...
Make a dream.
Okay. Alright, flip the bag over.
Oh, okay.
And press the reverse side of the material for an additional 15 seconds.
Oh, is that what that was?
Pressing both sides ensures the design sticks for the long haul. So you
okay, well it was doing pretty good, so...
Okay, so you do that for another 15 seconds.
I'll go here and take that down to 15. Oh, this is fun. And set.
Alright.
Okay, and then we'll put that on there. Oh, this is awesome.
Well, hopefully, if it works.
Pretty good. I mean, I thought it was going to be really heavy, and it's not. It's lightweight.
Yeah. So this is the 9 by 9 inch we bought.
Oops, do we have to start?
There is a larger size as well.
Okay.
Okay. So does that mean that it was already heating before that?
Yes, so I will take it off a few seconds before it gets there, so like about now.
I don't know if it burns it, does it?
Don't think so, just... Alright.
Right.
See, this is finished beautifully. It's stuck down lovely. I didn't have to use a lot of pressure at all. So all in all, I'm very impressed with this. Now we haven't, this was a vinyl that came with the machine, and it was already cut out in the Cricut symbol, but we'll be testing this properly to give you some really decent reviews on it with the vinyl that we've bought and some other projects. Alright, but in the meantime, really impressed.